A very good day to one and all, and a very warm welcome to everyone attending this webinar on the topic Scope and Career in Interior Design. So, getting into the contents of this webinar, you are going to see for whom is this webinar for, what is interior designing, for what should you learn interior designing, and how will it help you. And in this process of this webinar, if you decide this is the course for you and career path for you, how do you start this path and when do you start this path? So, of all people attending this webinar, some of you might be of 12th school graduates who are surfing through different courses and trying to choose a different career path other than the usual engineering, medical, arts degrees. Some of you might be civil engineers who would like to know how this interior design course can help you develop in this fast growing construction industry. Some of you might be of totally different field but found your interest in this course later on, but it is never too late. The only thing you require is the interest to learn in this course. So before going into the main contents of this webinar, let me introduce myself. I'm Karunya Sundaraj, an architect who is very passionate about designs, working as a faculty of interior architecture and design in Dream Zone Kolattur. So what is interior design? Interior design is the art and science of enhancing the interior of a building to achieve a healthier and more aesthetically pleasing environment for the people using the space. So walls are just a framework. It is the interior designing that makes the space aesthetically pleasing. So who is an interior designer? So as I already said, interior designing enhances a space. So interior designer is a person who plans and manages this process of enhancing the space. It is actually a multifaceted profession which includes conceptual development, spatial planning, site inspections where you regularly visit the site to see if they work according to your plans, design visualization, which is a huge trend now. You see realistic rendering 3D models for better understanding of their clients, and construction management and execution of the design. Interior design also manages the project within the desired time and cost. So, whenever you speak about a particular course, the first thing that comes to everyone's mind is what is the scope of the course? Uh, how is the scope in India? How is it in abroad? So, we all know how difficult it is to buy a piece of land and how lack of space has cultivated the trend of apartments. You can see at least 3 to 4 apartments in a single street. So, effective and efficient use of the limited space is not just a choice now, it is the need of the peasant people. So, even India today addresses this issue. India needs more than 1 lakh interior designers now. So, what is the main point is, do you have what it takes to become an interior designer? Now that you understand this course has high scope, the next doubt is what kind of jobs does it offer? So this is the best part. You have a variety of options to choose. You can join an existing design firm, which can be architectural or interior design firm or a construction company, and slowly promote yourselves to the top. Since you choose a job you love, you will never have to work a day in your life. You can even start your own business and be your own boss. You can set up a design and execution team. You can set up your own projects. You can build your own buildings, residences, or you can start as a freelancer and have the freedom to work from home. The freelancing as a 3D visualization, as I already said, design visualization, where you create realistic 3D renderings, is a huge trend now, and you can start as a 3D visualization freelancer also. So, what are the specializations that interior designing offers? Interior designing is not just residence design, as everyone thinks. It has many specializations, like can have office designs, airport designs, restaurant interiors, hotels, hospitals, product design. Any beautiful lamp you see, any beautiful chandelier you see is designed by an interior designer. And the famous furniture brands you like, everyone hires an interior designer in order to design their furnitures. So there are variety of specializations in interior designs. It is not just the residence interiors. So take a moment, start observing your interiors now. 90% of our day is spent in interior spaces, but most of us take these interiors for granted. How often do you pay close attention to these furnitures, planning, colors, textures, the lightings around you, the ceiling, flooring? Now take this as my challenge. Start using your eyes more and pay close attention to your surroundings. Make mental notes of the spaces that work and don't work. Even in, at least in your house, you understand a particular kitchen space in your house is totally closed and it is not comfortable to the females of your house. So read trade magazines, study the pictures, and read the advertisements here on you see in the newspapers. You learn by exposing yourself to good design. This is the start actually. So now, after completing this challenge, you realize that interior designing is the course for you. You are very much interested in this. So now, what do you do? It takes courage to grow up and really become who you are really. The only way to do great work is to do love what you do. So don't be afraid to try what you like just because it seems new. So now how do I start? So this is where we come in. Dream Zone, a branch of CAD Center, offers a vast variety of courses for interior design to help students turn their creative ideas into sophisticated designs for almost all types of buildings, from homes, public spaces, museum, hotels, everything. So now, why Dream Zone? You have where you have different design schools at present, and why should I choose Dream Zone? Our curriculum is specially designed for the students to understand the nuances of design development, conceptualize their ideas, building materials, learn the specification and estimation of a planned space, and understand the existing market values. You learn a lot of things in Dream Zone, and students will be enabled to create, define, communicate, and build their design of interior space, giving importance to not just aesthetical value. Interior designing is not just aesthetical value, it is mainly about the spatial management. So what are the things you learn here? First, artistic knowledge, software knowledge, and then technical and practical field experience. So what do you learn in this artistic knowledge? You learn manual sheet drafting of plans, sections, elevations, understand the elements and principles of design, develop your drawing skills to easily visualize your ideas. So now you can draw and draft design a building manually. So next, what does it? So next step will be the software. So you learn AutoCAD for 2D drafting of these plans, sections, and elevations, and then all these 2D models are converted into 3D through 3D visualization. As I said before, 3ds Max and SketchUp or 3D design softwares where you can create realistic 3D views of your designs even before the construction. So it also helps in better understanding for the people that comes as your clients. And also you also learn Photoshop for plan renderings, and you have a practical field experience. You have a professional architect training you, and have periodical industry visits and on-site material survey to learn all the new materials at present industry, and participate in national level events like interior trends that has been conducted yearly by Dream Zone branch. We also provide placement assistance to all our students. So these are some of our students of totally different fields that are successfully placed in Homeline Interiors. So finally, will it be fun learning? Yes, that is the best part. You will have a lot of fun learning this creative course. So now, when do we start? You can come attend our free workshop in our center on January 2, 2021. We are conducting a workshop on SketchUp 3D modeling where you can convert your 2D plans into 3D models. So this new year, create a new career and make the change. For any questions, feel free to call 9500 125 421. You can also visit our social media websites naming Dreams on Color 2 so that you can see our students' works and achievements. You can also visit us in person in 4A, second floor, Haridas Main Road, opposite to Grace Matriculation School, Kalatur, Chennai 99. Thank you.